Today, we're making a simple baked salmon recipe that's easy, healthy, and full of flavor. This recipe is perfect for a quick dinner or a balanced meal any day of the week. Start with fresh salmon fillets. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle a little olive oil over the salmon. This helps keep it moist and adds healthy fats. Season with salt and black pepper. Simple seasoning lets the salmon shine. Add fresh garlic, finely minced or sliced. Garlic adds aroma and depth of flavor. Next, sprinkle lemon zest over the fillets. This brings freshness and brightness to the dish. Squeeze fresh lemon juice on top. It enhances flavor and keeps the salmon tender. Add a pinch of paprika or dried herbs like parsley or dill. This gives color and a subtle herbal taste. If you like vegetables, add cherry tomatoes, asparagus, or zucchini around the salmon. Preheat the oven to 400 grados Celsius, 200 degrees. Bake the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes depending on thickness. While baking, the salmon becomes flaky and juicy. The aroma fills the kitchen. Remove from the oven when the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Finish with fresh herbs and an extra squeeze of lemon. Serve with a side salad, quinoa, or roasted vegetables. Simple ingredients, easy steps, a healthy baked salmon meal ready in minutes.